Hi everyone, it's John from immoviewer 360 here, and I'll be continuing on the admin function series. So again, this is for people who has access to the broker packages or who has access to the admin functions. So in order to get to this screen, all you have to do is just click on the admin button here, and it should populate a list of sub-accounts under your hierarchy. So in order for you to access the account and to see what agents see when they log in to this particular account, all you have to do is to click on the arrow button on the far right that says Go to Customer. It's not hard to miss. It should be an arrow that points right. And as soon as you click on that, you will see a list of tours under this specific account. Now, what happens here is you have all the access rights to whatever you want to do for this particular tour. So you can actually embed the tour on your website. You can share links. You can also download useful marketing images, banners, so on. You can also, do a live virtual showing, share it on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and view its statistics. So you can also edit the tour from your admin account, and that gives you absolute rights to whatever you want to do for this particular tour. So again, guys, this is how you view a sub-account under your hierarchy.